The California Instruments 5001IX-CTS-413-EOS1 is a power converter which allows for tested input power at different frequencies and amplitudes. This unit came to us dead, and after a full rebuild and repair of the HPIB interface, we were able to fully test this power converter for proper operation. As shown in the first video, we are checking the 3-phase output and loading it for full test. The second action is connecting the instrument of the HPIB interface and verifying it can connect and send commands to the instrument. We at ERD pride ourselves on checking all possible uses for test equipment to make sure everything gets covered properly the first time. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.